Everyday English practice.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Practice. If you enjoy the video, please take a moment to click the like button and subscribe to the Everyday English channel. Your support helps us create more helpful lessons for you. Welcome to today's episode. I am really glad you are here. Today, we have a very exciting topic. How to train your brain to speak in English. We are going to talk about something very simple, but very powerful matter. And one of the biggest challenges that English learners around the world face. If you have ever struggled to speak English fluently, or felt stuck translating everything in your head before speaking, then this lesson is exactly what you need. Many learners focus only on memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. They may understand grammar. They may know many words. But when it is time to speak, their mind slows down. While those are important, the real key is something simple. That is, training your brain to think in English naturally. Remember, fluency is not about knowing more words. It's about using the words you already know naturally. So, in today's session, we are going to explore practical, simple, and powerful ways to do exactly that. Let us start with a simple question. Why do we translate in our heads? Because our brain is used to our native language. When you hear or want to say something in English, your brain first goes back to your native language, creates the sentence, and then translates it into English. This process slows you down. It makes speaking stressful and unnatural. But imagine this. What if you could think directly in English? You wouldn't need to pause. You wouldn't need to translate. Your speech would become faster, smoother, and more confident. Let us talk honestly. Why is it hard to speak English? It is not because you are not intelligent. It is not because English is impossible. The real problem is your brain habit. So what do we need to do? We need to change the habit of the brain. We need to train it to think directly in English. That is exactly what we are going to train today in this video. Start small and simple. Many people believe something that is not true. They think, I must live in an English-speaking country to become fluent. But this is not true. Yes, living abroad can help, but it is not necessary. There are millions of people who became fluent without leaving their country. Why? Because they practiced daily. Because they used English in their mind. So don't wait for a perfect environment. Create your own environment. Another common mistake is, people think they must study for many hours every day. But the truth is, short, consistent practice is more powerful than long, irregular study. Even 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you do it every day, it works. Start your day with English. Every morning, before you check your phone, before you start your day, use English. Speak simple sentences. Good morning. I feel good today. I will have a busy day. I will practice English. It may feel strange at first. That is okay. You are training your brain. Don't try to think complex thoughts in English right away. Start with simple things. For example, throughout your day, describe what you are doing. I am walking. I am sitting. I am eating breakfast. I am brushing my teeth. I am walking to work. These are small sentences but very powerful. These small sentences train your brain to connect actions directly with English words. Do this every day, even for just 5 to 10 minutes. Name everything around you. One simple way to start thinking in English is to look around and name everything you see in English. Look around your environment. Can you name everything in English? Table, chair, phone, door, window. Now go a step further and make short sentences. The phone is on the table. The door is open. The window is closed. This builds your thinking ability without pressure. Think when you are alone. Whenever you are alone, use English in your mind. Start asking yourself simple questions in English. What am I doing? What do I need today? What should I do next? Where am I going? What should I eat? Then answer in English. This creates a conversation inside your brain. Use imaginary conversations. This is a powerful technique. Imagine you are talking to someone. It could be a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger. For example, "Hi, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." "What about you?" "I am doing great." You can even imagine real-life situations. Ordering food. "I would like a coffee, please." At the airport. "Where is the boarding gate?" This practice prepares your brain for real conversations. Use simple English. Don't try to be perfect. Don't try to use big vocabulary. Simple English is enough. Instead of saying a complicated sentence, say, "I like this." "I don't understand." This is easy. Clarity is more important than complexity. Stop translating. This step is very important. When you don't know a word, don't go back to your native language. Instead, try to explain it using simple English. For example, if you don't know the word calculator, you can say, "It is a machine for counting numbers." This trains your brain to stay in English. Listen and repeat. Expose your brain to natural English every day. Listen to short conversations, podcasts, or videos. Then repeat what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. This builds automatic thinking patterns. Speak out loud. Thinking is important, but speaking out loud is even better. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Share your thoughts. The more you speak, the more your brain adapts. Use your free time. Instead of using your free time only for entertainment, use some of it for English. Watch short English videos. 10 minutes is enough. Choose simple content. Listen carefully. Try to understand without translating. Build a daily routine. Let us create a simple daily plan. Speak for 2 minutes in the morning. Think in English daytime. Watch or listen for 10 minutes in your free time. Speak again for 2 to 5 minutes in the evening. This is simple. This is powerful. Be patient and consistent. Training your brain takes time. You won't see results in one day, but if you practice every day, even for a short time, you will improve. Consistency is more important than perfection. Real change takes time. Don't expect instant results. Your brain needs time to change. But if you practice every day, you will see improvement. Slowly, naturally, confidently. Sometimes, you will feel tired. Sometimes, you will feel like giving up. That is normal. But remember, every small effort counts. Even one sentence a day is progress. Let us finish with a short practice. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a perfect environment. You just need to start. Small steps. Every day. And one day, you will realize something amazing. You are thinking in English naturally. Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next episode.